Hello people, I wanted to show you how you can create models when you want to create with sharp edges, but at the same time to have subdivision surface applied. For example, because this model I already connected. Actually, this isn't connected, but I will show you how to connect. I will have to check something. Now I connected, and because you can create beautiful shapes when you work with edge split modifier. Now it's connected. Okay, let's get back to work. I think I will create just basic. Yes. Okay, people, I had to get back to you because someone was talking to me. Control R. I think I want to create a couple shapes. And I will apply subdivision surface and edge split. But what you have to do, you have to grab and to put to the top edge split, and you have to define angle. Don't worry if you set this to the highest, because what you can do, you can still improve this using option like Ctrl E, mark sharp. I also have to turn this off so you can see some details. I think this gives you advantage that you can still create beautiful shapes. I will have to check something because I am really interested in how does this shape looks like. Actually, I didn't have to do that. I can use soft modification, soft selection, depending if this is sphere or different preset. Okay, I will leave as it is because I still want to create a different. Sorry, I have to check something. I will cut in half because I want to scale that object to see something. You can see the difference. Shape changed. Oh, this looks cool. Actually, this looks cool. Ctrl K and Z. I will check if I can still extrude those objects, that object. Yes, you can still have nice shape, and even after when you apply modifier, you can still weld. You can still weld this without any problems. When you turn this on, when you set closest, because this polygon does not belong to that one, we still have to like weld it. Now we weld it polygon. We will do the same here. Wait a minute. Has this been welded? No, this has not been welded. Hopefully I will still be able to weld it. This option works perfect. You can create beautiful lofted shapes, and I will do the same with top polygon. Oh, this has not been welded. Remember to deselect the dates if you want to get back. I hope you like my video tutorial. This is beautiful way how you can create interesting shapes when you use split modifier. See you guys. Have a nice evening. I have to go back to sleep because I'm waking up to college to do work tomorrow.